Hey ladies, this is Tatiana with Natural Hair Headquarters, and I am back with more styling hair care tips to help you reach your hair goals. In this video, I was on the market for a natural looking wig for an event I had coming up, and I needed it fast. So I decided to look on Amazon to see what options I came across, and I found this one. I picked this one because of its natural hair texture. It matched mine. I like to have like my wigs match my natural hair in order to give me the most versatile looks. So when I go from my natural hair to my wigs, it's more believable. And so I found this one, and it's an Italian Yaki wig in 18 inches. It's a lace front wig. Actually, no, this is a 360 wig. And let me tell you, this thing is absolutely beautiful. Like, oh my gosh. As you can see here, this is just like, I think I just shampooed and co-washed it. No, I just co-washed it. And then I put on a little bit of serum so that I could blow it out. And once I blowed it out, I'll show you the difference of what blowing out your hair looks like, and then just what a flat iron does to it. Personally, and I would highly recommend that you blow out your hair when you have textured hair before you flat iron it. Even if it's hair like this where it's straight, I highly recommend that you blow it out first, because what will happen is you'll notice that your hair will become silkier in the end. The final result will have more body. It'll be silkier, and it'll still have a little bit of texture, but it'll just have so much more body. So this tip goes for both your wigs or your extensions and for your natural hair. The blowout is the most important part, believe it or not. And so I've gone ahead and I went and hot combed the front and where my part is going to be so that I can set it in place. And then I went in with my blow dryer brush, which I also got on Amazon, and I did that on its highest setting. So I showed you what the half looks like that I just blowed out versus the half that had nothing done to it. And now I'm just going to flat iron the other half so that you can see the difference. Honestly, it looks very similar, but it's the body that is the biggest difference. Like, the body with the blown out side, which is on the left hand side, is just so much more than the body from just flattening on the right side. And the hair also lies a lot better because of how you saw me like flicking my wrist as I'm going ahead and blow drying. If you want me to do a whole tutorial on how to properly blow out your hair in order to get the best final results, let me know, because I've taken all kinds of textures to a silky straight texture, so it can be done. It's just a matter of technique. So now you'll see I just showed you the difference. You'll see the flat iron side lays more, of course, and the blowout side is, it just has more body at the top. And then I'm just going to go through with the flat iron. And I don't really have to go too hard on using the flat iron because I already did a great blowout. So this is pretty self-explanatory. You'll see what I'm doing here. And I'm just going to continue styling this wig. But I just want to come through with those tips. And the rest, just watch and see. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I'll be going through and answering all the comments. So if you see anything that you have questions about, let me know. And then also, if you see anything that you like definitely give me a thumbs up so I know what kind of content you guys are looking for, and I can continue to create things along those lines for you guys, because honestly I have so much to bring you guys, but I want you guys to lead this channel. What are you looking for? What hair struggles are you having? Things like that. Let me know what you want to see, because baby, this is all about getting you to your hair goals, okay? So together we will get there. Let me help you to reach your hair goals. All right, love you ladies.